Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Tuesday and then today, Wednesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and I talked about a potential double bottom, but it actually never double bottomed. It never pulled back anymore. It just turned itself around and is now starting to try to work its way back upwards, which brings about the first update here that I want to throw in, and that is kind of just illustrating that now the price is in this slight little uptrend. Right here, you can see, the price is slowly working its way upwards, and as of right now, at the close of Wednesday, the price is sitting right here around the orange trend line. So it's a question of, going into tomorrow is, can this trend line hold, or is this going to run out of steam and break down below? If it does break down below the trend line, then while there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, it would not be shocking at all to see the price then, drift its way back downwards to that green line, which is valued at 58 cents. But again, even if it does break the orange line, that doesn't mean that for sure the price is going down there, but it also wouldn't be very shocking at all. And it's at least a rational, logical thought to have, because the price is, has a track record down around there. So in other words, these are going to be the two key levels of support going forward. Again, the ideal level that you would want to see hold from the long side is going to be that, the trend line there. But if that can't quite hold up, then you'd want to keep an eye down there at 58 cents, that next level of support. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, initial allotment of sellers made themselves known today right up there at about the 66 cent mark. And then with a break of 66, then you're not looking at really anything until up here around over 70 cents. So we'll call it, 72 at that point. So it's still an interesting setup. Looking a little bit shaky here, but you still got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls have established themselves a little bit of an uptrend, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this uptrend or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.